Hello and welcome to BikeSocial. This is EICMA, it's the annual Milan motorcycle show.
We're going to speak to all the major manufacturers to bring you the lowdown on the top bikes for 2019.
You find us here on the Piaggio stand with Diego Arioli. Thank you so much for joining us, Diego.
Thank you.
Diego is the product marketing manager for motorcycles for the Piaggio group. Now, after 54 world titles and a stunning RSV4000 motorcycle, you came up with an RSV4 1100. It's absolutely stunning. Tell us a little bit more about this new motorbike.
Yeah, thank you. New RSV4 1100 Factory. So as the name says, it has a new engine, 1100cc, which is giving out 217 horsepower, and even more important, a stronger torque at any revs. But this is not the only upgrade on the bike. The bike is now 5 kilograms lighter, thanks to a lithium-ion battery and the beautiful titanium Krapovic system on the bike.
It's a work of art. So Diego, one of the most distinctive parts of the bike, certainly the winglets on the side, is that must be racing inspired, right?
Yeah, correct. This is coming from our experience in MotoGP. So those are carbon fiber winglets, which are giving an additional downforce weight of about 8 kilograms at 300 kilometers per hour. So this is giving more stability on the straight, is helping at the beginning of the braking and to get the bike into the corner. So it's a very effective racing derived technology for the normal use for everybody now.
Do we have an idea of when we're going to see these in dealerships in the UK?
This is available at the beginning of next year, so January 2019.
Any prices available yet?
Prices, yeah, we are finalizing it, but will be interesting at the pricing.
Sure, but this is not the only sports bike you have unveiled here at EICMA. Let's go and have a look at something rather special.
Sure, let's go.
Diego, we've got a rather glamorous looking motorcycle behind us. The RS660, is that correct? Is that its correct term?
Yeah, correct name. A brand new bike.
And a concept though, not a production bike just yet.
Right, a concept bike. But as you can see, is a totally new concept of product, starting from a brand new engine, brand new frame, brand new chassis. So everything is new over here, and we want to deliver a new concept of sportivity within Aprilia.
So one assumes with the name of 660, that's its cubic capacity as well. That means it's what, a twin cylinder?
Yes, it's a parallel twin, 660cc displacement.
But you can't tell us yet about power or torque or anything like this, right?
Well, I think for today is enough already to see a new concept in a new capacity from Aprilia. So we believe this is something that will attract young new customers to sport bikes, growing up maybe from 125 and not ready for a V4. So a parallel twin engine, 660cc, is the right capacity for having some real good fun on the racetrack and on open road. A parallel twin is, in my opinion, the best for that. But at the same time, having the image of an RSV4 and a MotoGP bike from Aprilia.
You're right, it kind of makes that obvious sort of medium step between 125 and, well, 1100 now, no longer the 1000 V4. But even some of its styling around the front with the wings, the aerodynamic features, it does give that race bike feel.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, being young and looking for something easier to ride doesn't mean that young customer wants something weaker on the style. They want to go for the pure style of MotoGP, of RSV4. So that's why even in this concept we stick with our solution of aerodynamic winglets, just as on RSV4 1100.
Sure, and what are the chances, do you think, or can you tell us the chances of this becoming a production motorbike?
Very good chances, I would say.
So this time next year maybe we'll see the production version?
Let's wait and see, let's wait and see.
Lovely, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.